Hi dear students, welcome to Mohan School of Maths. Today we are discussing some important functions and their graphs. So let us move to class. It's me Mohan. So welcome back. So today we are discussing some important functions and their graphs. So first we are discussing identity function. See, identity function. What is an identity function? See, we consider a function from R to R defined by y is equal to what? F of x is equal to x. Y is equal to f of x is equal to x. For each x belongs to our R is called what? An identity function. So an identity function is a function defined from R to R. F of x is equal to what? X. Okay, f of x is equal to what? X. That means when x is equal to 1, what is y? Y also 1. So 1 is a point. When x is equal to 2, y is also what? 2. So what? 2 is a point on the graph. And when x is equal to 3, y is also what? 3. So 3. So 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2 are what? Points on this graph. So if we join all these points, we get what? A line passing through what? The origin. So the graph of an identity function is always a straight line passing through what? The origin. Okay. So remember that. What is the domain? Domain is real numbers and range is also what? Real numbers. So these are the points we want remembered. An identity function is a function defined from R to R. Y is equal to f of x is equal to x. Okay. And what? The domain is equal to real numbers and range also what? Real numbers. A graph is what? A straight line passing through the origin. Isn't it? Now, the second one is what? A constant function. See, what is a constant function? A function f R to R defined by y is equal to f of x is equal to c. Y is equal to f of x is equal to what? C. What is c? C is a constant. And what? X belongs to R. For any real number is called what? A constant function. So y is equal to f of x is equal to what? A constant is called what? A constant function. See, when x is equal to 1, the value of y is what? C. When x is 2, the value of y is what? Again c. For any value of x, the value of y is what? C. So if you draw the graph, when x is equal to 1, y is equal to what? C. When x is 2, y is what? C. When x is 3, y is c. So what? This is a line parallel to what? X-axis. So the graph of a constant function is always a straight line parallel to what? X-axis. See, if here f of x is equal to 1, what happens now? The line should pass through what? 1. If here f of x is 2, the line should pass through what? 2. If it is 3, the line should pass through what? 3. Since it is c, a constant, suppose this distance is what? C. The line is what? Passing through the point C and parallel to what? X-axis. Okay, so remember that the graph of a constant function is what? A line parallel to x-axis. Here domain is what? Real numbers. Why? Because what? The function is defined for all real numbers. We can substitute any real number for x. And what is the range? The range is always what? A single number, set C. When x is equal to 1, the value of function is what? C. When x is 2, the value of function is what? C. For any value of x, the value of the function is what? C. So range is what? A constant C, set C. Okay. So domain is set of real numbers and what? Range is set C. Now, third one, a polynomial function. Polynomial function. See, what is a polynomial? നമ്മൾ ചെറിയ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ പഠിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടാവും polynomial. See, a polynomial is an algebraic expression. What? An algebraic expression. See, x square plus 2x plus 3 is a polynomial. X square plus 2x plus 3 is what? A polynomial. Or 3x raised to 5 plus 4x cube minus 7 is what? A polynomial. Or root 2x plus root 3 is also what? A polynomial. These are all polynomials. See, a polynomial is an algebraic expression, but no, there are two conditions. First condition is with real coefficients. See, what is coefficient? Here 1x square, 1 is the coefficient, 1, 2, 3 are the coefficients. These coefficients should be what? A real number. See, 3x raised to 5, 4x cube minus 7. So this 3, 4 and minus 7 are what? The coefficients, real number. So root 2x, root 2 is the coefficient, and root 3. These are all what? Real numbers. So a polynomial is an algebraic expression with the real coefficients. And what second condition now? With the non-negative integers as exponents. Exponents should be what? See the power 2 here. Here what is the power 1 here. Here power is what? 5. Power is 3. Power is 1. So power should be a positive integer including 0. A non-negative integer. If these two conditions satisfy, we can say what? Such an expression is called what? A polynomial. So a polynomial function is a function from R to R defined by y is equal to f of x is equal to, we can say a0 is a constant, a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube plus etc. going on. Last what? An x raised to n, where n is what? N the power. N is a non-negative integer. N is what? A non-negative integer. Negative allatha integers. 0 varam, positive numbers varam. And what? A0, A1, A2, etc. n are what? Real numbers. That means coefficient should be what? A real number. So such a function is called what? A polynomial function. These are all examples of polynomial functions. Okay, suppose f of x is equal to what? This x square plus 2x plus 3 is a polynomial function. This what? F of x is equal to what? 3x raised to 5 plus 4x cube minus 7 is a polynomial function. So these are all examples for polynomial function. So remember that the range and domain of a polynomial function may be, it is related to what? The given polynomial, according to what? The polynomial. Generally it is what? Real numbers. And what about graph? We can't draw the graph directly. The graph also related to what? According to the polynomial. See, the graph of this polynomial is different from graph of this polynomial. It is different from what? This polynomial. So from each polynomial, the graph should be what? Different. It may be a curve. Okay. So we can draw one or two important graphs. Okay. See, we consider a simple polynomial. See, y is equal to f of x is equal to what? X square. So y is equal to x square is what? A polynomial. Okay. Where what? X belongs to R. We have to draw the graph of this function. So for drawing the graph, function graph some points. This polynomial ansarikkunna some points. So we take some negative values, 0 and some positive values. See, when x is equal to minus 3, when x is equal to minus 3, what is y? Y is equal to what? Minus 3 square become 9. When x is minus 2 square is 4. When x is minus 1 square is what? 1. When x is 0, the value of y is 0, 1, again 1, 2, 4 and what? 3, 9. So we take some values minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, some values. So we get what? Some values for what? Y also. So plot these points on graph paper. See the rough figure approximately. When x is minus 3, y is 9. So minus 3, see 9. When x is minus 2 what? 4. When x is minus 1, 1. And what? 0, 0, this point. 1, 1, 2, 4 and what? 3, 9. So just join these points by a smooth curve. It's not by scale. Using what? A smooth curve. We get what? The graph of what? The function y is equal to f of x is what? X square. The shape is what? A parabola. It's called what? A parabola. Okay. So the graph of the polynomial f of x is x square is what? A parabola. Okay. And what is domain here? Domain is real numbers and what? Range is also what? Set of real numbers. Okay. So simple graph. We consider another function. Y is equal to f of x is equal to what? X cube. X belongs to what? R. To draw the graph of this function, so we take some values. Okay. So when x is equal to what? Suppose minus 2, then what is y? Minus 2 cube. What is minus 2 cube? Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 become what? Minus 8. When x is minus 1 cube is what? Minus 1. When x is 0, 0 cube is 0. When x is 1 cube is what? 1. When x is 2 cube is what? 8. So we take only minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Why? Now, 3 suppose we take 3, what is 3 cube? 27 is coming. Okay, 27 is not easy to mark. And when you take minus 3 also, your minus 27 is coming, little difficult. So I take only these values. Okay. Now plot these points on the graph paper. Which are the points? See, minus 2, 8. When x is minus 2, what is y? y is 8. So minus 2, 8. Minus 1, minus 1. See, minus 1, minus 1. Then what? 0, 0. This 0, 0. 1, 1. And what? 2, 8. Plot all the points. Now just join all these points what? By a smooth curve. We get what? The graph of the function y is equal to what? X cube. So graph of the function y is x cube is also what? A curve, but it's not same like what? X square. So according to the polynomial, the graph also what? Should change. Okay, not the same. Different polynomials have what? Different graphs. Okay, so we have to practice somewhat this type of graphs. The fourth one, rational functions. Rational functions. നമ്മൾ പഠിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടാവും റാഷണൽ നമ്പേഴ്സ് അല്ലേ? എന്താണ് റാഷണൽ നമ്പേഴ്സ്? We know that a number of the form p by q, where p and q are integers, are called what? Rational numbers. Similarly, a rational function is a function of the form f of x by g of x. A function of the form f of x by g of x. But no, both f of x and g of x are what? Polynomial functions. Both numerator and denominator are what? Polynomial functions. And now there's a condition. It is defined on the domain. Defined in a domain. So domain is not always same. It will be different. An example, suppose a function f of x is equal to, okay, a polynomial function is of the form x square by, suppose, x minus 2. X square by x minus 2. Here it is what? X square is a polynomial function. X minus 2 is also a polynomial function. So this is what? A rational function. But the denominator is x minus 2, no? So when x is equal to 2, x in the value നമ്മൾ 2 ഇടുന്ന സംഭവിക്കുന്നത് 2 minus 1 ആയിട്ട് മാറും, 0 ആയിട്ട് മാറും. So when denominator is 0, the function is not defined. That means what? X is 2 is not possible. So domain is set of all real numbers except 2. Except 2. കാരണം എന്താണ്? When x is equal to 2, the function is not defined. So domain is always what? Restricted. According to what? F g of x not equal to what? 0. The denominator is what? Not equal to 0. So remember that a function of the type f of x by g of x, where f of x and g of x are what? Polynomial functions of x, defined in a domain where g of x is what? Not equal to 0. G of x is what? The denominator is not equal to 0. So domain is always what? Restricted. According to what? G of x is not equal to 0. Okay. We consider a function f of x is equal to what? 1 by x. See, f of x is equal to 1 by x is what? A rational function. Here, when x is equal to 0, it is 1 by 0 is not defined. So domain is what? No, set of all real numbers except 0. X നമ്മൾ 0 കൊടുത്താൽ 1 by 0 ആണ് വരിക. എന്താണ്? Not defined. So domain എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എല്ലാ റിയൽ നമ്പേഴ്സും പക്ഷെ എന്തില്ല? എക്സെപ്റ്റ് 0. 0 ഇല്ല. നോക്കാം നമ്മൾ. Suppose x is equal to 1. What is when x is 1? The function is what? 1 by 1 to 1. When x is 1, it is 1. When x is 2, what is the value of the function? 1 by 2. It is 1 by 2. When x is 3, the value is what? 1 by 3. So when the value of x is increasing, the value of y is what? Decreasing. See, when the value of x is increasing, the value of y is what? Decreasing. Very near towards 0. Okay. And when x is what? Decreasing. Suppose the value of x is what? 0.5. 1 by 0.5 become what? 2. Again, when the value of x is again decreasing, the value of y is what? Increasing. So when the value of x is decreasing, കുറഞ്ഞു വന്നാൽ എന്ത് വരും? Value of y is what? Increasing. So the approximate figure is like this. Okay. This curve is coming like approximately like this. And when the negative values, നമ്മൾ എക്സിന് നെഗറ്റീവ് വാല്യൂസ് കൊടുത്താൽ എന്ത് ചെയ്യുക? ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് കമ്മിങ് ലൈക്ക് ദിസ്. ഓക്കെ. സോ ദ ഗ്രാഫ് ഈസ് നോട്ട് എ സിംഗിൾ കർവ്, ഇറ്റ്സ് എ കോമ്പിനേഷൻ ഓഫ് 2 കർവ്. 2 കർവ് വരുന്നുണ്ട്. എക്സിൻ്റെ വാല്യൂ നമ്മൾ പോസിറ്റീവ് വാല്യൂ കൊടുക്കുമ്പോൾ ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു കർവ് കിട്ടുന്നു. എക്സിൻ്റെ വാല്യൂ നെഗറ്റീവ് ആണെങ്കിലോ ഇവിടെ മറ്റൊരു കർവും കിട്ടുന്നു. ഇവ തമ്മിൽ എന്ത് ചെയ്യുന്നില്ല? ഇറ്റ്സ് നോട്ട് intersect. Okay. Remember that for any value of x, the y is never 0. Okay. Y never 0. So the graph is what? Is coming like this. ഇത് നോക്കൂ, എക്സ് ആക്സിനോട് ടച്ച് ചെയ്യുന്നില്ല, വളരെ അടുത്തേക്ക് വരുന്നു അല്ലേ? എക്സിൻ്റെ വാല്യൂ വർദ്ധിക്കും തോറും ഈ ഗ്രാഫ് എന്ത് ചെയ്യുന്നു? എക്സ് ആക്സിനോട് അടുത്തേക്ക് വരികയാണ് അല്ലേ? ഇവിടെ എക്സിൻ്റെ വാല്യൂ എന്ത് ചെയ്യാണ്? കുറയും തോറും ഇത് എന്ത് ചെയ്യുന്നു? വൈ ആക്സിസിനോട് അടുത്തേക്ക് വരുന്നു. ഓക്കെ, സോ ദിസ് ഈസ് ദ അപ്രോക്സിമേറ്റ് ഫിഗർ ഓഫ് വാട്ട് ദ ഫംഗ്ഷൻ എഫ് ഓഫ് എക്സ് ഈക്വൽ ടു 1/x. ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്കിൽ കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്, കുറച്ചുകൂടെ നോക്കി മനസ്സിലാവും. ഓക്കെ, ആൻഡ് വാട്ട് ഡൊമൈൻ ഹിയർ? ഡൊമൈൻ ഈസ് വാട്ട്? r minus set 0. Range is also what? Same r minus what? Set 0, because what? Here there is no 0 in y. Okay, so we can wind up today's class. അടുത്ത ക്ലാസ്സിൽ നമുക്ക് വീണ്ടും കുറച്ച് ഫംഗ്ഷനുകൾ പഠിക്കാനുണ്ട്. അടുത്ത ക്ലാസ്സിൽ പഠിക്കാം. സോ താങ്ക് യു വെരി മച്ച് ഫോർ വാച്ചിങ് മൈ ക്ലാസ്.